Welcome, health enthusiasts. Have you ever considered how the food on your plate could be your most potent weapon against cancer? In the vast realm of health and nutrition, there lies an often overlooked secret: the power of food. Not just any food, but specific nutrient-dense selections that may hold the key to preventing and combating cancer. Could it be possible that 5 such foods exist? Foods that, when incorporated into our regular diet, can serve as formidable soldiers in the battle against this pervasive disease. Join us as we unveil 5 foods that pack a powerful punch against cancer. At the top of our list, we find the humble berry, a powerhouse of antioxidants. Bursting with vibrant colors and oozing with juicy sweetness, berries are nature's candy. But unlike conventional sweets, they're packed with health benefits. From blueberries to strawberries, raspberries to blackberries, each variety offers its own unique blend of nutrients. One of the most notable compounds in berries are antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give berries their rich, vibrant colors. These antioxidants are known to combat oxidative stress, a key player in the development of cancer. They work by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, thereby reducing inflammation and cell damage. Incorporating berries into your diet is as easy as pie, quite literally. Add them to your morning cereal, blend them into smoothies, or use them as a natural sweetener in desserts. They're delicious, versatile, and beneficial. So next time you need a snack, reach for a handful of berries to keep cancer at bay. Next on our list is a food that might have made you turn up your nose as a kid: broccoli. This green tree-like veggie is a powerhouse of nutrients, with a particular emphasis on sulforaphane. This compound is not just a tongue twister, but a potent weapon in the fight against cancer. Sulforaphane has been linked to killing cancer cells, reducing tumor size, and even preventing cancer from developing in the first place. So how can you add more broccoli to your meals? It's surprisingly versatile. You can steam it, roast it, or even eat it raw in a salad. For an extra boost of flavor, toss it in a stir-fry with garlic and a splash of soy sauce. Or blend it into a green smoothie for a quick, nutrient-packed breakfast. Remember, a little broccoli a day keeps the oncologist away. Spice up your dishes with our 3rd and 4th cancer-fighting foods: turmeric and garlic. These vibrant and fragrant ingredients are not just culinary powerhouses, they're also packed with compounds that can help protect your body against cancer. Turmeric, a mainstay in Indian cuisine, contains a compound called curcumin. This golden spice has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce inflammation. Now let's turn our attention to garlic. This pungent bulb is rich in a compound named allicin. Research suggests that allicin may help to prevent the formation and growth of cancer cells. So how can you incorporate more of these ingredients into your meals? Simply add a dash of turmeric to your rice or soup, and don't forget to include a clove or 2 of garlic in your stir-fry or salad dressing. Adding these flavorsome foods to your meals not only enhances taste, but also boosts your body's cancer-fighting ability. Last but not least, let's talk about a beverage with centuries-old health benefits: green tea. This soothing brew hails from East Asia and has been celebrated for its medicinal properties since time immemorial. What sets green tea apart is its high content of antioxidants, specifically a type called catechins. These potent compounds are warriors in the fight against free radicals, those pesky molecules that can lead to cell damage and, in turn, cancer. Now, you might be wondering, how can you make green tea a regular part of your diet? It's simpler than you think. Start your day with a warm cup of green tea instead of coffee, or enjoy it as a midday pick-me-up. You can also get creative and use green tea in your cooking, like in marinades or salad dressings. Swap your regular cuppa with green tea and sip your way to better health. In the fight against cancer, every bite counts. We've explored how berries, broccoli, turmeric, garlic, and green tea can play a significant part in our diet to help prevent this disease. Remember, it's not a magic bullet, but a part of a comprehensive approach towards a healthier lifestyle and cancer prevention. So, let's embrace these foods, not merely for their taste, but for their potential health benefits. Personally, I like to drink green tea every morning, and it gives me more energy. Tell us in the comment section, what food do you eat to prevent cancer? Remember, the power to prevent cancer could be on your plate. Eat smart, live well.